Indonesia stands amidst an archipelago nicknamed the Emerald of the Equator, hiding an unparalleled geological treasure. A rich, natural mosaic, these islands hold precious secrets and abundant natural resources, which have led to remarkable prosperity and advancement. In perfect harmony between humans and nature, PT Timah Tbk emerges as the world's largest and highest quality tin exporter. Embracing the baton of sustainability and innovation, PT Timah Industri, as a subsidiary of PT Timah Tbk, pioneers in the processing of tin metal into tin solder and chemicals. With strict risk management in accordance with international standards, we strive to ensure safety and environmental security consistently. Our operational areas are oases for environmentally friendly work ecology. Our commitment to balancing industry with sustainability is a promise we will keep wholeheartedly. Our leadership in the downstream tin industry revolution, which has been ongoing for 9 years, is proof of our dedication to excellence and innovation. We transform from green metal to green chemicals, prioritizing quality at every step of production. With advanced technology and skilled labor, we process tin metal into high-quality products that meet international standards. From raw material selection through processing and packaging, our products are technological masterpieces. Bankastanic is elegant, Bankastab exclusive, and Banca Isa is designed for global industrial needs. We introduce a tin product portfolio that not only supports technological advancement, but also meets industry needs with top-tier standards. Our collection starts with stannic chloride, an organic tin chemical precursor and catalyst in the polymer industry, followed by dimethyltene dichloride, a primary raw material for tin stabilizers and additives in the glass industry, and methyl tin stabilizer, an excellent heat stabilizer additive in the PVC industry. To meet specific industry needs, we produce tin soldier and bars and wire forms, ensuring every electronic component you assemble has maximum strength and reliability. The excellence of our products is no coincidence. They are the result of designs that consider health and environmental sustainability. We ensure that every product we make is safe and environmentally friendly for users and nature. With a solid foundation in operational efficiency, financial stability, good governance, and superior human and technological resources, we are ready for a new era. We are the builders of a luxurious and sustainable future in the tin industry. Consistent quality and international customer trust mark PT Timah Industri as a high-performing and reliable company. Our focus is not only on downstream tin products, but also on dedication to maintaining our position as a sustainable global market leader, firmly adhering to international compliance standards. PT Timah Industri, from green metals to green chemicals, preserving the natural heritage for the world.